All right, so you're ready to buy a home but don't know where to start. Here's an oversimplified step by step, so let's get right into it. First things first, talk to a mortgage broker. Know how much money we have to work with, know how much money we can go shopping with. Interview a few realtors, ask for a buyer consultation. They should be able to show you what a contract of purchase and sale looks like, how they protect you, what are the expenses associated with your purchase, and they should have professionals that they can refer you to, such as lawyers, notaries, home inspectors, and so forth. All right, so you got yourself a realtor and you got pre-approved. Let's go shopping. So now we're going to be viewing properties in person. If you're out of town, of course, we could do virtual tours and your realtor be able to do that. I mean, everybody's got a cell phone now, right? Once you see the home that you feel is right for you, your realtor will do a comparative market analysis to see where it sits in the list price. It's great that the list price is a certain amount, but is that the market value? And you put an offer in. The offer consists of three major components: the price, the dates, so your possession and completion dates, let's say 2 months from today, and your subjects and conditions. The subjects, let's say we have 2 weeks to do our due diligence, would be things like financing, inspection, insurance, and documents like PDS and title search and so forth. And if it's a strata, it would be strata documents. Once the offer is submitted, the seller has three choices. They can reject your offer altogether, they can accept the offer as is, or they can counter it. And usually they will counter your offer. So we can go back and forth in negotiating price, the dates, the terms, and so forth until everyone is satisfied. And once everybody is satisfied with the changes to the offer, it becomes an accepted offer. Now, the offer is accepted doesn't necessarily mean you have purchased the home. Now we go to our subjects and we work through doing our due diligence. The due diligence is important because we have to know what risks we are taking when purchasing the home. So we will work through our subjects. We will get the bank to do an appraisal and what they need to do to finalize their documentation. The inspection, the inspector will go through the home and give you an inspection report as well. So you have to be satisfied and know the risks that you're going to take. The inspector will find items in the home. That is their job. I encourage a notary or a lawyer to review the title search. We're going to receive other documentation to review as well, like the property disclosure statement. I also suggest to talk to an insurance broker to see if the home is insurable and what that looks like. And also any other expert advice like accountants. After all our due diligence, the bank gave us the green light. The inspection went well, within reason. Of course, again, the inspector's job is to find stuff. No house is perfect. You got your expert advice, we reviewed all the documentation, and you are satisfied with everything. And now we remove our subjects. You are putting your deposit down and committing to purchasing the property. And also note, if the due diligence didn't go well, for example, the home inspection completely failed, there's some major things that came up in the home inspection, or the bank said that they will not finance that particular home, we can at this point walk away from the deal. We would basically release ourselves from the contract and we can go out, look for other homes that would be a better fit. In this case, we have removed our subjects, put our deposit in, and now we wait our 2 months to complete on the property. During this time, we send our documentation to the lawyer or notary to start the process of transferring title. During this time, you will not do the following: change jobs, add any more debt to your credit cards, financing a vehicle, and you will not spend your down payment or closing costs. Just prior to the final completion, you will meet with the bank to sign the documents for the mortgage. You will finalize your home insurance, meet with your lawyer or notary with your down payment and closing costs to sign the final documents to transfer the home to your name. Possession date, you will meet your realtor for the keys for your brand new home, and congratulations. Now keep in mind, if you want to be moving in the summer, kids' schools, or whatever it might be, start planning in the winter. It takes time. So start planning in the winter, hire your realtor, mortgage broker, get things started, spring at the latest, to get you moved in the summer.